Hi everybody, happy Earth Day. Kate Glenn here, Paul Smith College Sustainability Coordinator. We have had a pretty snowy Earth Day, which is not necessarily unexpected for spring here in the Adirondacks. But yeah, I promised a sustainability tour of campus, so here we go. I'm going to talk about renewable energy infrastructure on campus today. We'll talk a little bit about sustainable dining, and I'll highlight some Paul Smith College sustainability grant projects that have happened over the years. Feel free to ask me questions. I put a little question box in a previous Instagram page, and I'm happy to answer whatever related to campus sustainability. So I'm actually standing in front of the college's wood pellet boiler. This is a district wood pellet boiler, which means it heats multiple buildings on one system. This is the first district pellet boiler in our area. We ran it for the first winter, last winter. It heats somewhere between 70 and 80% of a heat for our three main academic buildings. So Cantwell, Pickett, and Freer are mostly heated by local wood pellets. So our wood pellets come from Curran Energy, which is out of Messina. They all come from sustainably harvested FSC certified forests. And we're really excited. About half of our greenhouse gas emissions profile comes from fuel oil, which is what most people in the North Country use to heat their buildings. So we're really excited to have made a pretty big step to reducing our greenhouse gas emissions profile through locally harvested, locally purchased, sustainable wood pellets. This project was mostly funded with a grant from NYSERDA, and you can see behind me is the big auger, which we actually is where the bulk pellets are loaded into via truck. And then I actually have not one but two, these green shipping containers behind me contain the actual pellet boilers themselves. And then we have the system sort of fed in to our existing heat system. We still have fuel oil on backup in case we need it, although we did have a fuel oil boiler go down last winter, and the heat just fine on the wood pellets, so it's obviously working really well for us. It's really important to Paul Smith College that we are making sure that our dollars are spent locally in our sort of local economies here. Messina's just a good hour away. We go there with our students for tours, and we're really happy to support our local wood industry. So I'll be moving on now to talk about some of our other locations, but feel free to ask me more questions.